All right, what is up, guys? Today we are gonna install some hydraulic. Can't do this. Today we are gonna install some hydraulic hood struts. Before I get distracted by these. Okay, close enough. All right, we are gonna install some hydraulic hood struts so we don't have to use this guy right here, and I don't have to use my hand. Now you may be asking why you would want to do hydraulic hood struts, and for example, right now, you wouldn't want to, open up your hood and open up the hood. You want to open the hood. There you go. You want to open the hood. You don't want to use the hood strut or the hood prop anymore. That takes up too much time. Why would you ever want to do that? So that's when you install the hydraulic hood struts, so it stays wide open and it doesn't fall on you like this.
Oh my god.
And these are the proper tools that you're gonna need for the job.
I'm getting paid, right?
Yeah.
I bet it.
Yeah.
I bet it.
Yeah. I got the money in the car. It's in. And now the first thing you're gonna want to do is just loosen up that fender bolt. Pretty simple. And now you're gonna replace it with this 12mm ball joint in the original fender hole. Just put it in like that, just the way Daddy likes it. And now you're gonna want to add this onto the hood where that latch meets the first bolt. Replace that, and then put this in between and sandwich it onto the hood. So, backtrack. You don't want to make the mistake that we almost did. Don't forget to install that washer in between the bolt and the fender. And also verify which side you're actually installing. We put it backwards. So we're gonna fix that right now. And with the hood struts, it comes with this little pin inside of that ball joint. You wanna make sure you don't lose that because you're gonna have to reuse it when you put it into the hole. When you got the hood struts onto the ball joint, you wanna push it in until you hear a solid. How did I do this? I'm not as strong as you.
I don't know what you did.
You pushing it. There you go. Until you hear a nice click. There you go. And same with the top. And now once you got both sides of the hydraulic hood strut, you got to put in those pins that we originally talked about back into the socket, and they should only go in one way because they are in that ball joint. And once you got those secured, you should be good. And now you just rinse and repeat onto that side. And just like that, we got both sides installed. So now the hood should close on its own whenever you need it. But now all you got to do, lift it up. Hell yeah, fire. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we can go home because it is way too dark. Yeah, that's how you install the hood struts for a 2002 to 2006 Acura RSX.
Ah, man. So where's my money?
Yeah.
We got it, right?
Yeah, I got it. I got your money. I got your money.